Super easy and super tasty homemade quick Kalakand recipe. For this recipe we need 2 paneer packets of each 200 grams. Grate it finely. Now transfer the grated paneer into a non-stick pan. We need 1 can of condensed milk. In grams it is 380 grams. Pour the condensed milk into the pan. Mix well with the paneer. Now turn on the flame and stir continuously in medium flame for 5 minutes. Now add a half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Now cook for about a minute. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix well. In this stage, we need to turn off the flame. In mold, add butter paper and finely chopped dry fruits. Now pour the mixture into the mold. Level up the mixture with the spoon. Now let it cool at room temperature. After cooling down, we need to demold. Now we need to remove the butter paper. See how deliciously it is looking. Now cut into squares. Definitely try this recipe and comment below. See, super easy and super tasty Kalakand recipe. See, looking so yummy, right? If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.